Hey everyone, let's get started on this journey to a healthier financial freedom. Today, we talk about taking the 15 steps to start a business and grow financial freedom. To start a business and work towards financial freedom, begin by choosing an idea that aligns with your passions or addresses a specific market need. Conduct thorough research to understand your target customers and competitors, ensuring your idea has the potential to be successful. With this information, create a detailed business plan that outlines your goals, strategies, and financial projections. This plan will serve as your roadmap and can be useful if you need to secure funding. Next, decide on a legal structure, such as a sole proprietorship or LLC, based on your business needs and the level of personal liability you're comfortable with. Register your business name and ensure you have all the necessary licenses and permits to operate legally in your area. As you move forward, estimate your startup costs and explore funding options. You might use personal savings, apply for a small business loan, or seek investors. It's important to open a separate bank account for your business to keep finances organized and to simplify tax filing. Setting up your business operations is the next step. Determine whether you'll operate online, from a physical location, or both, and acquire the necessary space, equipment, and supplies. Developing a strong brand identity is crucial. Design a memorable logo, create a professional website, and ensure a consistent look across all marketing materials. A well-thought-out marketing strategy will help you attract and retain customers. Use a mix of digital and traditional methods based on where your target audience is most active. By following these steps with careful planning and diligent execution, you can build a successful business and steadily work towards financial freedom. 1. Planning and preparation. Begin by selecting a business idea that resonates with your interests or meets a market need. Conduct thorough research to understand your target customers and competitors. Develop a detailed business plan outlining your objectives, strategies, and financial projections. This plan will serve as your guide and help you secure any necessary funding. 2. Setting up and launching. Choose the appropriate legal structure for your business, such as a sole proprietorship or LLC, and register your business name. Ensure you obtain all necessary licenses and permits to operate legally. Secure financing by estimating your startup costs and exploring options like personal savings, loans, or investors. Open a separate business bank account to keep your finances organized. 3. Growth and financial management. Once your business is up and running, focus on managing your finances effectively. Set up an accounting system to track income, expenses, and profits. Build business credit by managing debt responsibly and paying bills on time. Regularly review your financial performance and look for opportunities to grow your business, whether through expanding product lines, entering new markets, or reinvesting profits. Diversifying income streams can also contribute to long-term financial stability. 4. Research and planning. Begin by selecting a business idea that excites you or meets a specific market need. Conduct thorough research to understand your target customers, industry trends, and competitors. With this information, create a business plan that details your goals, strategies, and financial projections. A well-constructed plan will guide your decision-making and help you secure financing if necessary. 5. Legal and financial setup. Decide on a legal structure for your business, such as a sole proprietorship, LLC, or corporation, and register your business name. Ensure you obtain all required licenses and permits to operate legally. Estimate your startup costs and explore funding options, including personal savings, loans, or investors. Open a business bank account to keep your finances separate and organized. 6. Managing and growing your business. Once your business is up and running, focus on effective financial management. Implement an accounting system to track income, expenses, and profits. Build and maintain good business credit by managing debts responsibly and paying bills on time. Regularly review your financial performance to identify opportunities for growth. Consider expanding your product line, entering new markets, or reinvesting profits to scale your business. Diversifying your income streams can further contribute to financial stability and long-term success. Start by identifying a business idea that aligns with your passions or fulfills a market demand. Conduct detailed market research to understand the needs of your target audience, analyze your competition, and identify potential challenges. This foundational research will help you refine your business concept and increase your chances of success. 7. Business structure and registration. Select the legal structure that best suits your business, such as a sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, or corporation. This choice affects your liability, taxes, and ability to raise capital. Register your business name and secure any necessary licenses and permits to ensure you're operating legally. Additionally, determine your startup costs and explore funding sources, whether through savings, loans, or investors. Setting up a separate business bank account is essential for managing your finances effectively. 8. Scaling and financial growth. As your business takes off, focus on managing your finances wisely. Establish an accounting system to keep track of your revenue, expenses, and profits. Building business credit is crucial for future growth. Ensure you manage credit responsibly and pay your bills on time. Regularly assess your financial performance to identify growth opportunities. Consider expanding your offerings, entering new markets, or reinvesting profits to scale your business. Diversifying income streams, such as adding new products or services, can also enhance financial stability and support long-term success. 9. Conceptualizing and analyzing. Begin with a strong business idea that resonates with your interests or addresses a specific market need. Conduct thorough market analysis to understand your potential customers, competitors, and the industry landscape. This analysis will help you identify opportunities and challenges, refining your business idea for success. 10. Legal setup and financial planning. Choose the appropriate legal structure for your business, whether it's a sole proprietorship, LLC, or corporation, and register your business name. Obtain all necessary licenses and permits to ensure compliance with local regulations. Calculate your startup costs and explore various funding options like personal savings, small business loans, or investors. Establish a dedicated business bank account to manage your finances separately from your personal accounts. 11. Operational growth and financial sustainability. Once your business is operational, focus on maintaining sound financial practices. Set up an accounting system to accurately track your financial transactions, monitor cash flow, and measure profitability. Building strong business credit is essential. Ensure you pay vendors and creditors on time. Regularly evaluate your financial performance to identify areas for improvement and opportunities for expansion. Consider diversifying your offerings or reinvesting profits into new ventures to fuel growth. By expanding thoughtfully and maintaining financial discipline, you can achieve long-term financial stability and growth. 12. Business idea and market insight. Start by formulating a business idea that matches your interests or addresses a specific need in the market. Conduct comprehensive market research to gain insights into customer preferences, industry trends, and competitive dynamics. This understanding will help you validate your idea and tailor your approach for better market fit. 13. Formation and financial setup. Choose the right legal structure for your business, such as a sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, or corporation, and handle the necessary registrations and permits. Estimate your startup costs and explore various funding sources, such as personal savings, loans, or investors. Open a business bank account to manage your financial transactions and keep your business finances distinct from your personal ones. 14. Financial management and growth strategy. Once established, focus on effective financial management. Implement an accounting system to monitor your income, expenses, and overall financial health. Build and maintain good business credit by managing debts responsibly and making timely payments. Regularly review your financial performance to identify growth opportunities and adjust strategies as needed. Consider expanding your product offerings, entering new markets, or reinvesting profits to drive business growth. Diversifying income streams can also enhance financial stability and support long-term success. 15. Ideation and market validation. Begin by developing a business idea that you are passionate about or that solves a specific problem in the market. Validate your idea through market research to understand customer needs, industry trends, and competitive landscape. This research will help refine your concept and assess its viability in the real world. Legal and financial foundation. Select a legal structure for your business, such as an LLC or corporation, and complete the necessary registration and licensing requirements. Calculate your initial investment needs and explore funding options like loans, grants, or personal savings. Open a separate business bank account to keep your finances organized and manage cash flow effectively. Financial over. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, leave a comment below. I love hearing from you. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.